Let's go. Alright, let me put on some music. Oh, wait. I could try and play some Danny Brown. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, Scuffed Stream Part 2. 2 more days until Evo. Las Vegas. I gotta make sure I got my tickets and whatnot. I packed up all my stuff. How come I can't hear anything? Oh, there we go. Alright. Alright, so let me just talk a bit. So, I got the report system. Oh yeah, so I packed up all my suitcases are good, but I'm gonna have to pay that extra weight because I know they're definitely over 50 pounds, which sucks. But I'm already accepted that fact I'm paying $1,000. Annoying to pay off, but figure it out. All my stuff is packed. My only thing I gotta do is one last load of laundry. And then I'm gonna be doing that on Tuesday night, because Tuesday I need to get the car washed, which is fine. I'm pretty sure I got everything done. I don't think there's a seat arrangement, but I'll check Tuesday morning to see if I could choose my seat on the flight. I don't think so. But yeah, hold on. There's a way I can check my flight to make sure it's still valid. Bill Russell. If anyone leaves a comment, I won't be able to see. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm like the worst kid on the team. I promise you don't want to play with me. If you think you can handle it, then you live in make-believe. I'm Dr. J in 83, pull up a chair and take a seat. Even with a rope around your neck, you couldn't hang with me. You fucking with a nigga who's proven that he can do it. My attitude, I ain't mad at you, but have to leave you ruined. When you rapping with other rappers that lack it, making improvement, they get mad at you for passing through and cashing. Damn, it's stupid. I am not human, I might just lose it. Flow is so sick, you would think I had lupus. Got him unmuted, taking these shots like I'm Cupid. Call of Duty, got him wounded.
I can't check. I don't know. But figure it out. I'll figure it out. So with the site update, we got the whole report system done. won't fix. So, we got the full report system fixed, and then today.
I'm trying to record here. I'm trying to make hits. You looking at me like I'm tripping. Like Zach, please do your homework. Please do your chores first. Zach, really tell me how you get it. I'ma get it till I got it, mama. I got it, mama.
I'm glad I've been keeping track of this. Let me look. Settings work. Playlist editable. I feel like this past month I've gotten the most done in July. In June, I think I didn't get a lot done because I was just trying to like maneuver my way here, California. This was a fucking weekend and a half. Jesus Christ. And then last weekend, and then like holy shit, I got so much done this month. Hold on. Alright, I need to make sure. Okay, so I got 2 doctor appointments next month. What's up, Log and I don't even know what that name is, but the J. But the devil on my right, on my life. Knew what was wrong and right, but not everybody do the right thing like Spike. My fans all young, they probably don't get that old reference. I love bitches, no preference. It's kind of weird, I've been turning down pussy lately. I mean a lot, and I don't regret it. I'm too focused on this rap shit. Then again, I'm always focused on this rap shit. So I got next month. I need to start looking at my like schedule in terms of months now. I used to do it in terms of weeks, or in terms of days, weeks, but lately I got to figure it out in terms of months because it's like the days are just getting faster. I turn around, all of a sudden it's September. It's like because I got a concert I'm going to in September. I'm gonna see Nas and Wu-Tang. That should get crazy. I've been listening to a lot of Nas lately. Alright, so today we're working on artist pages. I could take this shit. Shovel playlist. We'll get to that eventually. What is this? Artist page and recording need to get. Hey man, why did I put that there? I'm gonna get it done. There's some other stuff here. Let me see. I need to fix this. I know how to fix this, but I don't know right now. But yeah, this is all done actually. I'm glad I got that done. I don't know how off or how good it will be, but we will see. We gotta do so that we added 2 tables due to that. So I'm gonna have to add that to the live site. What am I doing? It's the artist page. So I'm gonna just artist page. Hello. So first thing we should do here is oh yeah, I pushed all my code to GitHub in case some shit happens. End of today, I will be making the pull request and merging it. What happened here? 8 issues. This whole page has got to be. We'll leave this as is. That whole page has got to be fixed. So shuffle playlist, TOS page, and then what else? There was something else I had here. This will take a whole day. Could do that today. The artist page is gonna be a big one. So let's look at what our current artist page looks like. So right now our artist page is listed here. So this is our artist page. I think, honestly, I want to keep the same format, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not exactly sure how I want to do this. I think I'm gonna take this. Hold on. Throw it here, but take out all this shit here. And then in terms of artist page, I also wanted to not all be on one page. No, if I take it all on one page, then we can take the stuff out. Sure.
Yeah. I don't know how to do shit but rap, nigga. Yeah, back in 09, I was rhyming trying to get signed. I ain't know much about it. Fast forward like 7 years.
Alright, we should have just done that. Alright, so one thing we need to do is we need to create this. And which I wish I had I wish I could open up the second of this code so I can look at it. But yeah, I don't know. I do got curtain call on here. I put lose yourself on. Lose yourself shouldn't even be on here though. Oh, and then yeah, I hate like I have to use this to close. Relapse refill. There is a day where eventually I do want to go through all the artists and look at them to make sure these things are correct, but I can't. It's gonna be very time consuming. But that's gonna be like later on when I'm gone. Add the playlist. Yeah. I'm gonna do that same thing here, add to playlist, and it's gonna just pop up the other thing. So here, artist page equals Eminem, artist equals Eminem. Yeah. I don't know why this font size, it looks like it changed, but I don't know. So we need to create this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a div set to have what's up, Omir? We're gonna have a div set to have each element here, so like a flex, sort of. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna say div. We're gonna have 3 things in here, which we're just gonna call div ID equals artist info, and then we're gonna have another div ID equals top songs info, and then another one called div ID equals artist Facts info. We're gonna have a class of the. Let me make sure I don't have a class called this.
Welcome to the internet.
Welcome to the internet. Alright, and then we're gonna say ID class equals parent information div. Parent container. Alright, so we don't have things set for this yet because there's no, I don't have any structure laid out yet for it. Hey, I appreciate the likes, thank you. Yeah, I can't check on my flight until tomorrow should be a good day. So I know sort of what I need to do now for what I was trying to figure out on Friday, but it's gonna be a short work week for me.
Somebody give me that mic back, 'cause I'm in the lab and I might snap.
A bit distracted today. You can probably tell. All these. I don't know if there's a way to. I mean, I could probably move all this in one file, but like it's like I want it to be nice. So. I also want to make sure today that I make this, because this, I think I can build this pretty fast. So I want to make sure that it looks good for mobile, because that's going to be the next thing I do. Alright, so we're going to say about how much off the top.
I'm cooking them up, I'm serving them up, I come with the sauce. I'm burning it up, trailblazer, I'm coming to ball. Yeah, I'll make a call. You don't want none of my people involved.
That's a bit much. 8 pixels. 50 pixels, good. Alright, so this parent div is like this. I'm fine with it. Have margin left pixels, margin right pixels like that. Alright, so in here we're gonna have height of background color green. Alright, so this one's gonna be like probably like this. I like this. I don't think there's anything I can actually change to make this look better. I think this looks good. The only thing that can look better is the design of it. But I also want to make sure mobile looks good. So with this, let me check here. So background color orange, height 200 pixels, width or but then we also want this to have display flex here, because we want these to be like sort of next to each other. Alright, so for the sake of this, parent container div. Why is my I'm server. Alright, and then here we have this. I think this will actually be good here. I don't know if I need a position on it. I'm so glad my thumb wasn't. My thumb had this aching pain earlier. I don't know what is wrong. But yeah. So this one, we're gonna need to make bigger actually. So I think we should probably have the margin right 20 pixels here, but I don't know how much space I'm gonna utilize here. Because if I do from here to here, it might be fine. But so I could do 3 VW. I honestly, for VW, I don't know exactly like how well I should make these. So wait, that's the wrong one. So this one is gonna be at least 60. Songs. I already packed everything, so I'm not gonna go and get things out. Even for the Evo trip, I think I only need the one suitcase to open up. The others I think I can keep as is, in which I wish I could just, I don't know if you could ship suitcases, if I could, it might be easier to just do that, but I don't know. I guess you say 100%. Well, no. Okay, so if I say 100% though. Okay, I see. So it can only go up to that. But this needs to have a margin right also. So I think I'm gonna keep it same thing. Margin right of 3 VW here. So that this one now, okay, so if I do this, it's 17. Alright, so this is gonna be 17 for artist facts info. And then the height I still need to play around with, but I don't know. Alright, so now that we have this, let me refresh this page. Hopefully all is good. Alright, so in terms of height, I do think this height is good here. So let me get this out of the way. So this height I put at 300, so I think 400 would be good. And since height so much doesn't matter in this context, and I don't know how I want to, for mobile, how this is gonna, how do I do this for mobile? Like, I don't think there's any way I could do it like that, because I need to have a flex here, and then here. So let's start with the profile picture. Hold on. I'm gonna have to turn this off real quick so I can open up the other code. Because I need to make sure it doesn't open up on a specific thing here. Is this the new one or no? Oh, this is the old one. Yeah, I was gonna stream early today, but I realized I still had a lot to clean up. Good thing I didn't show. It opened up exactly on what I was afraid it was gonna open up on. Alright. So I can now share my screen without it dropping 500 frames per second. Alright. So we have this, which I'm gonna basically just be copying over. Oh, it didn't. I thought. Fuck. I could do. Where's some shady? Alright, I think I could try to. No. Oh, it's not gonna. Okay. Alright, so I can move that out of the way. This one, I need to open the CSS. I believe, yeah, it's just this one. Yeah, all the Webflow CSS here. Alright, so for artist info, basically just gonna I guess copy all this shit here, throw it in here, and then this should. This is interesting because I don't know how this gets to be here next when that should be probably here. So that's kind of interesting to say the least. I feel like something's missing with this table. What do I know? Alright, so there's that. We'll throw this in here. And then we'll grab the CSS. We're just gonna copy paste for now. And then grab the stuff from this site here. So, I do, outside of like normal CSS stuff, I do want to get yeah, oh, here it is. Alright. So yeah, let's figure this out. I'm sure there's gonna be some CSS errors. Alright. Errors. Undefined artist. Undefined artist. Alright. So let's bring this back. Alright, so undefined artist. Yeah, how did I not? Alright, look at this. This is quite a thing I got going on here. Alright. So again with this table here, I don't know how this artist bio top songs. Oh wait, did I not? Looks like I didn't close off one of these divs, which is interesting. So Wait, this is the other. So this. Oh, shit. Top songs info. Alright, what does this div close? This div closes that, so I need another div here. And then that's fine there. Hey, I appreciate the like. Thank you. Now we got 5 likes on this. Alright, so top songs info is good here. And then it looks like, so this artist bio doesn't have a div. Oh no, it does. This. So this div, we don't have a closure here, which is interesting. That should clean up some of this. Okay, it cleaned up some of it, which is fine. So I think one thing we're missing here is a center tag. I don't know why it's listed there.
Situations that I've been facing, these dreams that I'm always chasing, but they rarely ever come true. This family that I left, that woman I used to love, so the least of my concerns is you.
Center. It's not centered to. Where is this centered to though? Oh, profile picture has. Okay, so we could take that out, and then I want to. So we could take the left out. Alright, in terms of this image, we're gonna take this image out. I've come to realize that. Oh, what's up, Lindsay Bell? I just saw that. Sorry if I saw it late. It's an interesting name. So I don't know why this PHP is kind of weirdly aligned. So the image, we need to change this. I'm gonna change it to, well, for now, we're gonna say span add button here. If there's any issues with the audio, please let me know. I ain't talked to you since the day that you was tripping. I look at your pictures, you've been making bad decisions, hanging with a bunch of bitches who got all these bad intentions. Only thing they want to do is that, and then some niggas. Is that what you really want? So, because that should fix the height issue here. I ain't stressing, it's a blessing how we left it, you pathetic. All the memories we had with you was so quick to forget them. All them words you never meant them. All them texts that you was sending got me grinning when I get them. Came home for my birthday. Why you at my party in the first place? You be acting like this is the first grade. I remember you had never even got the first space. Seem like every nigga get a triple on the first date. Now you so thirsty. You would go do anything to hurt me. Now I know that you never deserved me. Something wasn't working. Can't believe I thought it was a shirt thing. I'm just doing me, I'm not searching. Everything is perfect. I hope that you get that. All that shit you talking, oh my god, you need a tic tac. Okay, so this sort of looks good. I need to add I need to create this table to be better, which will be easy.
Now you want chill, I be like chill. You ain't been real since the day you was tripping. Bitches with these new niggas It's like you really know niggas thinking like which one of them is just hit turn. No, ask him how a young nigga taste. He can hide the leftovers on that plate. Caught in my feelings, I really can't deal with this. Knew you, I knew you would wanna pretend it. Who are you and what have you done with the girl I once knew? Hanging out late nights to the mornings, thinking who you coming home with. Used to be home all day.
Yeah, so we need to fix this up. We're gonna take the background colors off in a bit. So this table, what we need to do actually here, did I get tapped in?
Hey, pal, today I'm at ASU and I'm gonna be showing people why it's too easy to rap. Blessed like I sneeze. All these little beauties have sex with the beast. I'm the best in the east and I'm living on the west coast. Fuck niggas all gonna be resting in peace. I suggest that you leave if you hating cause I'm destined to be nothing less than a king. Move fast on
This is my favorite futuristic song. Too easy.
Get it, I'm on a roll with it. Counting paper like a scroll with it. Collecting money like a toe. Green thumb like a troll. Flow cold North Pole with it. My clothes so vintage. I make hits like a tennis match. Fucking bitches, only time I ever finish last. In my shows, everybody put their hands up like a smart kid in chemistry class. Goddamn, it's so easy.
Yeah, my site does not scale very well on these screens here. Alright, so instead of width here, I think we need to just add class equal table. And rest should be history.
I know that you don't like that. Hit me up, I never write back. Put my words on the right track, talk behind my back. Then one day I believe me hanging like a fucking tire on a bike rack. And I'm never getting sidetracked on the road like I'm coming up a hill. I ain't never falling off with this rap shit. Meanwhile, you looking like Jack and Jill.
Bootstrap 5 stable evenly spread. I never know. I always get confused with the difference between a row and a column. Because when a row sounds like this, but yeah, see, I need to bring this up with work because this doesn't, when we say at work we say add columns. Clearly, I always wondered that. Evenly spread 3. Row, columns, column 2. Or you can change, wait, 2. Code says whatever happens, only put 2 columns on each row. This is new. Table layout fixed with classical call. There's so what I can do here, which for this page I think I could probably close. No. Yeah, I think I can close this old page now. For now, we're gonna have to reopen it though. What I'm gonna have to do is open up stats page and then copy how I did the tables here. So, like this. Change this to this. And then we add scope equal column. Preview, I don't know. Alright, and then here, so we add the TR and then the TD. Do I need to? No need to do anything, but we do need to add the T body. So then we do T body. We add that to here. And then this, I could move to one line. Easy. No need to do all this extra. Never mind, it wants to do that. Yeah.
I should take to my grave. I lay on the page, hoping someone could take them away. Relate with what I say, and it'll change a day.
Oh, that's actually pretty well. Did it pretty well. One thing I do want to change is the overflow. So we add the overflow to the table here. Table, overflow scroll. Oh wait, no, I added to this dude. Right? Shit, what do I add? I think overflow scroll, height, inherit, right? It's like how does it? Table layout. Oh wait, hold on. Top songs label. Oh, okay, so it's this right here. Overflow scroll. Overflow Y scroll. Like that. Not that bad actually. Hold on. Hold the phone. But I do think, hold on, if we want to do that, we should probably do it on this. Overflow scroll here. Flow Y scroll. Height. Inherit. Which the height is because of this. So can you do calc minus the height? It's because this gets caught up in the height, and so when we inherit the height, it gets fucked up because of this. So when I click this, our height is 400. So here, I guess we want to say 380 pixels. No, we want to say 350 pixels, probably. No, so what's the 21? 21, let's do 379 pixels here. 379 pixels. $375. Alright, so we want to do that. We don't have a background color on the table here, which is interesting to say the least. We're gonna say background color white, because I'm pretty sure that's the way I should do this. I don't think. What does my stats page look like in terms of the color? Yeah, I just did white for everything. This should take forever, that's why. 1,082 songs. Yeah, I need to. Oh. I need to add scroll loading here. So we need scroll loading artifacts. And then a filter thing here. Filter option for lowest, highest. There we go. That'd be easy there. So yeah, we're just gonna do background color white. I do want to say text align center for everything here. So this is on table. Table. Let's say style equals background color white, text align center. And then we need to add the height here for top songs. So top songs, we're just gonna add this here. Like that. And then here we need to add a flex here on these two items here. So let me, hold on. I need to take away this here, so this color gets turned artist bio. Cool. Yeah, like that. I do want this font size to be a bit larger here. So let me go to that. Alright, so here's this. We need to add span class equals top songs container. I'm gonna do like that. Alright, let me skip this song. This shit gonna get fucking copyrighted. Yeah, this whole page is gonna need language changes. Yeah. Load top songs. I honestly don't know if we have this yet here. One thing we do need to do here is I need to check. Here, so, oh yeah, I do have total. I was wondering about that. So I should have total songs. I do want to add, so I was going to change this font size, keep forgetting, where is it? So I want to add, I was already at H2 here, well, turn this whole thing to H2. Oh. Interesting. I changed this to close H2, and then I changed this to H3, then it should be good here.
wish a nigga was, homie. So where is that located?
Did I? Feastables. I'm in love with the coco.
Yeah, you ought to know that I'm still planning to marry you. Walking to that big new house, I'll probably carry you. Honeymoon and all that. Look in your eyes, stare at you. When you sick, I'll make you some soup and go get you Theraflu. I care for you, you know that. Sorry if I don't show that. I know I'm on the road, but when I go back, take you to the
I refresh. I don't know where I'm at. We're gonna take out the colors in a minute. I just need them for alignment purposes. Alright. He does at the bottom. Alright, so here's the container. We're gonna say width 100%. Text line center. So if it's 100%, we're gonna say display flex here. Left 50%. I don't know why. Do I have any CSS here? So if I say left 50%, display block, position. So the thing is that that doesn't look like it's 50% of the entire thing. But I think that's because of this here. So if I say this float left, right, I mean, display block, right 0, left, position relative on this, and then I don't know if I should put that there. But this is definitely an issue here. Alright, oh, I see it. It's right there. There's gotta be a way to bring it over there. I don't know. Background. Color. Green. Alright, so it is like that. I'm thinking though it's because it's figure relative. No, see, if I did position absolute on this, it's fine here. If I do position absolute on this though, it's not fine. So I'm a bit, let me change his screen to so we can see what's going on. See, like, because this is not 50%, so I don't know how it's getting this here. So I think what we need to do here then is justify content center. Go back to here. So display flex line items center. So alright, so the container. Let's try this. Now that is centered. That is centered. This I want to say float. Okay. This actually works well here. Bring this down a here. So this is float right, position, absolute right, 0. And then this doesn't need anything. Top songs container needs these here. Top songs container needs these. The thing is, I do want, so the issue is here, is I do want this to have a margin bottom. So we push everything off, but I don't know. Margin bottom 5. Because I don't want the thing there to have a ton of stuff there. So here we do want to add a font size of maybe 20, and then was it font weight of 500 maybe 700. So we'll do this on top songs label. And then same thing here, we need to add the color white, font weight of 700, font size 20 pixels, like that. We'll just throw it on there. Alright, so I think it's time we take the color off here for these backgrounds. Except the artist info. We're gonna leave the artist info background color because it's not there yet. Let's refresh this. Okay. So we need to do the add to playlist button here. This preview doesn't load for some reason. I don't know why. Keep that there. So we need to fix this order here. It has something to do with this page here. I don't really want to.
And that's the truth, not a lie. How I feel about it is futuristic.
I'm not going to.
He got the coldest bars, the coldest bars, the coldest bars. We on some other shit. You did already knew.
Here it is. We need to do this. There's an issue with the way that the views get added. So this should fix it. I remember when I was looking on the internet, this shit took me like forever to figure out because it didn't make sense to me what was going on. There we go. Because I think I have these values in as like some sort of like bar chart, but it isn't. And that's how it was reading it, so I don't know. Alright. On this Width is actually okay. In terms of songs with long names, though. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's get these artists' facts in here. Issue is now. The one thing I don't particularly like about the see, I could extend this all the way, but I don't know. I mean, I gotta fix this export. I wanna.
I'm on stage and all these pretty girls is flashing me. I forgot the words, I can't believe this shit is happening. They calling me future like my name ain't really Zachary. I took her to the room and then I fucked her on my balcony.
There's still so much I want to do here. So, for this though, I don't know if I like this particularly. Let me get the add to playlist set here. So we're literally, what the fuck is this? Hello? What the fuck happened here? Did this get changed? Load information. Did I change? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna have to move this to the side here. I can't figure it out. So if I change this to 5. Yeah, I don't know why it's set to 400. Huh. Interesting. I'm gonna be here. No. Yeah, see, I don't know why this is set to.
Yeah, I just heard a nigga bumping that old shit.
Alright, so what I want to just do is this icon here. So let's go to let's say add. Where did I?
I've been the kid that was fighting and being kicked out of school. That's the old me. Everybody acting like they know me now. And it's a function whenever that boy come roam to town. I hold it down, a little nigga with the coldest style, pouring shots to thoughts at the party who got us open out. I can't remember the days when I didn't drink. Sometimes I'm getting faded just so I don't gotta think. They love me for everything that I teach. My lyrics that hit them deep, that bring a fiend to their knees. That's my old shit.
Here it is. How? Add song to. So we're gonna add this here. So I think. What do I need to pass here?
Last year was hella crazy, right? I'm surprised I ain't got a baby from all of these ladies. I came and laid the pipe. They begging for it, never stayed the night. A crazy life, a plane I catch, it's on to the next, and I see my name in lights. It go F-U-T, you know the rest. Team on my back like a shoulder press. I was so depressed. Progression was looking skeptic when my
Let's just do that. Actually, we could just say this. So that we can. I don't know if it'll work exactly here though, because I don't know if
I ain't never gonna change, but that other shit is lame. Now you bumping on my old shit, oh shit. I mean, it's kinda cool, but I got something to prove, motherfucker. That's my old shit. I really do this. Wait until you hear all of my new hits. You tripping off my old shit. I got some cold shit. I got some old shit. Oh man, you bumping all that old shit. I got some new shit. I really do this. Man, you listen to my old shit.
I don't know if it'll work. Let me make sure this works though. Still.
I got some new shit in my closet. You know I built the booth quick. You listen to that old shit.
Alright, that still works. Let's refresh this.
It's fucking fire, bitch.
And I realized this red was taken out to outline it. I kind of want to add that back. I don't know. Alright, hold on. Icon size. Let's move this. Alright, I don't know why the color is different. Because it is here. Let's see. Color white. Alright, so let me do that.
We are not the same, no, I feel your not as real as a silicone titty little bitch boy. I was 22, popping pills in the Hollywood Hills, fuck a 6-figure deal. Now that ain't really something that I kill for. Rather meet a girl named Billy and the billboard. Swear to God, I'ma sell a milli for the kitties that were wishing I was stillborn. Mama said the world ain't pretty on Fillmore. She grew up living in the gritty on the windy west side of the city with them shitty ass eyes. When you working $2 $7.50 jobs, count pennies in the bus stop. Must not know about the 9 to 5 hustle. Why you claiming that you grinding every day with your Instagram struggle? So I'ma say it one time, you ain't nothing but a fucking stay at home mother, not a tough guy. Seems like everybody wanna know why the fuck I'm going. No, I don't even got a motive.
Alright, let's see if this works. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't work. Because this isn't here. So once I add it, it should be okay. So this here, if I add this, I don't know where I'm gonna add these. Probably just throw them up here, I'm gonna be honest. Hopefully it doesn't mess up with the alignment of things. Why did that not work? Pop-up model 2. And then let me just bring this down. Alright, so why did this not load? Load playlist. Oh wait, add songs. Yeah, load playlist. Load saved playlist. This didn't even get called. Interesting. But it opened, so that's something. Oh, you know why? Because load information, we need to change that in here. Why is this like that? No, it shouldn't be static. Force the user to add it to a playlist. You must add it. Okay. Let me log in and make sure this works. The login page. Okay, you know what I need to do here? And I realized I have to. Interesting. I should be moving all these to the header. Okay. Right. So these will go to the header, in which, like this. So I gotta make sure everything works again. I do want to do check on. So. You start to blush, don't say it much, but I'm in love with you. This can't be so. Yeah, okay, so so it does need to switch back to 2. So this can be taken out actually. This down here. Gets swapped back to that. We gotta go back to the home page, make sure everything's good. Alright. Okay. What else? Okay. Let's refresh this. I didn't realize, like, oh yeah, you can't log in. Alright, so why is the login page static? Like, why do I... Sidebar players, view songs, sign up log. This shouldn't be static at all. Okay, so but then if I log in, I'm pretty sure it's gonna bring me back to the home page. Yeah.
I think one thing that a lot of people don't do is
so I do need to change that.
So once you know what you want, you can set goals and go after those goals.
Okay. Alright, so let's go back to Eminem.
You're all over the place.
And if I hit enter, I also shit. Alright, I gotta figure out this. Alright, let's do A. Value A, which is 7NZ. 7NZ9 listed. Maybe it's the other one. Nope, I don't got that listed. Okay. Maybe YNB. Yeah, YNB right here. So 66. So we want to look at this one. We also want to look at this one. So this is A, this one, which you could do a quick view, which, interesting enough, let's fix that real quick. Fetch playlist songs, 103. 103. Okay. Favorite array. What's the error? Must be of, I don't know what it is. Must be of type array, null given, paste. So that means 103, so favorites arrays. But row favorites. Did something get messed up with my favorites? No, I got it.
Oh, you're still recording? Dude, it's a video.
Everything here looks fine. I don't know.
Oh, you're still doing it. Tight.
That over there.
Amazing.
So row favorites, select
Looks like peaches and cream oatmeal.
favorites,
Eat your porridge we name.
where user info to where username equals username user ID. See, that's the thing. User ID is no longer like relevant. It's cool, but it's no longer really relevant in this scenario here.
This pizza rack is like therapy. It's kind of strange, but when vodka's in my veins, it brings the most clarity. Stumbling at the club with a girl that wanna marry me.
Let me try this
One
again.
last time, the day I go back to you will be the day they have to bury me.
Alright, so if I hit view, there we go.
Fuck that.
What I should do is if you view like this, I shouldn't allow you to edit, because otherwise it's gonna be too many windows and windows and windows, right? Because if I hit edit, no, actually, okay, hold on. Fetch edit playlist songs, 128. It's probably the same thing. Yeah, it's the same fucking thing. Exit editing, edit, there we go. Okay, so now if we hit add to playlist, let's make sure. So we have 1 and 3. 1 and 3 and 3 2 7. Okay, that's promising. 1 and 3. So because we didn't add to all, it's not gonna do that here. But if I take this song, click this, and then hit add to all, it should have added all the song. Oh wait, the song. But we should see it added here. But it should have also added all the songs also to here. 364, 364. It didn't add it to 5. Interesting. Let's see. Is there an error on that one? No error. Was this add to playlist? Hmm. 5 does not. Oh, because there's no. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Because it's still a preset. I forgot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is all working pretty well still. This I don't think works right now. But that's fine. Let's get the artifacts in, and then there's something else I gotta do here, because it doesn't exactly make sense right now. Because I loaded through. Close this. Close that. Close that. I load it all here, which doesn't make sense because this whole table needs to be loaded elsewhere, which is funny enough. But yeah, we'll figure it out. I do need to open up the other one. New window. Pray to God it doesn't showcase anything. I'm gonna be cautious, and I'm gonna hide my screen. I don't need another incident. This one. Alright, it's safe. You can view. Shit, that drops the frames a lot. Alright. So for artist page, we do to drop the load facts a lot here. So I believe, let's see, we have I don't have anything here for it. Alright, there is a page here. There should be load artist facts somewhere. Load. Get artist fact. So I should have the same thing here. Get artist fact, okay. So let me see. Get artist fact. There should be some JavaScript that is needed. So on this page here. Oh, and I took it out. Interesting. Okay. So let me stretch Luffy with the gummy neck. Actually, I just need this whole thing here, actually. Throw that here. We'll be fine for that. There is, so for artists, so this is for the album listing. We'll figure the album listing stuff in a minute. I don't know for mobile how I'm gonna do that, but figure it out. There is a, okay, so this is, I think I'm gonna need a class here. Whatever this was. Let me throw it here for the meantime. For now. There is. I do need to do something here, but
I'm way too drunk right now. You way too drunk right now. I ain't gotta say much. Here's the Addy you already.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this for now here. So we could, but I know one of them's flipped. So where's that? Oh, right and left here. Right and left here. But I think there's eye contact in here. I'm gonna close that for now because I want to figure this out first prior to working on the next part. Let's refresh this. Oh my god, yeah, that's quite a mess up there. Alright, let's fix that. Background color. Alright, let me take this. Alright, in terms of the width and height and stuff, we'll figure that out in a moment. Hello, site? Refresh. Alright, I don't know where my other buttons are. That's funny. That's funny. I honestly don't know what these things are. The fact that I can't see it is kind of concerning to me. I still feel like there's some stuff here that I don't. So the width is fine here. Padding is actually fine. No, I don't actually. I don't want the border radius. The padding I can have. So height, padding. Alright, so we remove border radius, width, and border. Border radius, width, and border. And then I do want to change font size to 20 pixels, maybe. Maybe, yeah, 25 pixels would be fine. And then I really don't know where these things are, I'll be honest. Because these are icons, they're kind of hard to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a span. I'm gonna put these in a div on its own. But because they have a white background, easy to find. Alright, so this is gonna be background color red with on red. Position relative absent. Height 50 pixels. No. Okay, yeah, here. So if we do that, we do 25 pixels here. Do 30 pixels. Right? I can't even tell how many pixels this is. 30. Okay, so yeah, if I do 30 here, right? No, so that's 30, but it also has a margin bottom of 5. So it should be 35 that I make this. That way it's centered there. In terms of these items, I don't know where the hell they're at. Are these supposed to arrow? Like, I can't see these though, so it's like... Okay, so display block works.
Super iller than any nigga you know flow. Need a helmet, stupid, sick, retarded, kinda slow flow. These white boys show a nigga love. No homo, I need a Caucasian girl with a booty this big as Coco's. I go ho, I go ho.
I took this off.
In on every track. I be moving forward, they running circles like cul-de-sacs.
No, it's because this, I think, is being... Okay, yeah, so... Okay, so... I don't know.
What the fuck y'all niggas style? I don't know, but it wasn't right. And I be doing this every day and every night. Yeah, no, yeah, I'm cold. If you didn't get it well, now you motherfuckers know. Shout out to my fucking dog, super duper Henry here. And you know that he don't play, but he ain't got no fucking balls, but that don't mean he's fucking gay. Fur coats like every day, and he's got that super nose. He uses it to sniff cocaine. Yeah, but I'm chilling, no, I'm chilling. Like Bob Dylan pillin' when smoking that penicillin, though. KID's the realest, yo. Car sounds like Skrillex, though. At my show, get my fans hyper, they gorillas, though. Yeah, the code is bars, the code is bars, the code is bars.
I don't know how the fuck they...
We go so hard.
Like, if I took off the background color, you can't see it. Which, maybe if I took off this background color, you could see. No, you can't. Arrow. I am missing a class. I'm clearly missing Arrow, but actually, here, I'll take Arrow, and then, but I do want to just get, here it is.
And that's the truth, not a lie. How I feel about it is futuristic or die.
Now, before I refresh though, thought I'd close that. Before I refresh, this needs the style of height 35 pixels. Oh shit, wrong thing. Height 35 pixels. Like that. Everything else I think I could just leave as is. Fine. I'm gonna change the music because I'm getting tired of futuristic. I am gonna be honest. Alright, listen to Chris Levy. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna have that, but we're not. I wanna see what the Bootstrap has. Because I don't really like to use sort of like that. I should probably add some border to this at least, so it's not just sitting there. So maybe I'll add like a black border or something. So let's see. Wow, that's like loads. So if I add that there, and then if I say border 1 pixel solid black. Red, no. I'll just leave it like that.
You think this is all there is to life sometimes. You grind so hard. Congrats. But I guess I'm moving on to bluer skies, right?
There we go. Do we want left field or not? Arrow right circle. Let's just do this. I mean, we could literally take these out. I do believe they come in color. These I don't need. I don't know about that margin left. We'll figure it out. The fuck happened here? Alright, so these audio. What happened to the audio player? Oh, do I have? Did I copy something here for the audio player? Yeah, this thing. I'm not ready for that. Alright, let me take this. I'll take this out. The audio player thing, I think is having issues. I need to figure it out. Alright, so I do have this here. I do want to change the font size here. Font size. There we go. And then and let me just take this off. Let me increase the height to match, because the height right now is kind of messed up. I don't think the height's gonna be. No, is it 375 pixels, right? Yeah. Do I label anything? No, I just. Hold on. So let me do this. I could do span. Then I want to do the same thing. Style, font size, 25 pixels, color, white. I want to see if it gets centered though, but we'll figure that out. Where's this? Reminiscing about the homies that I've lost. Make a Father, Son, a Holy Spirit cross. Pull you underground, and I'm getting sauce. Cause you keep me blind to my own feelings. So these wounds never really healing. Trying to run from it till I'm numb to it with the spin, staring at the ceiling. And it's and then when we do this, I'll check the mobile. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that, fast, and then. There we go. That works fine. Everything here we do. Alright, actually need to move that. Over there we go. Alright, fetch. Let me just call this fetch. I could call it load, but I'm gonna fetch. Fetch it. Fetch top song. And basically what we're gonna do in here, we're gonna move this table in there because right now it's kind of a mess, and what we shouldn't do is fall into this trap here. So then what we need to do down here, call this and then what we are going to do is go php slash fetch top songs of php, and then what we need to do is get the filter option. So we're gonna say function. We already have it though. It's wait, hold on change load. Why do I need to pass? Oh, okay. But okay. I mean, I kind of don't get it because we should already have it, but what do I know? Right, so function this,
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
and then what we need to do here is, so we're gonna get bar drop down. But we're gonna say song amount equals dot value. Here we're gonna do this. We're gonna load unload. We're just gonna run this normally with 10. Alright, so we load it with that, and then what we need to do here is we limit by 10. What did I think I don't like when it's all overflowing like that. Alright, so if this post of this, oh no, it's gonna be default to 10, so it should always have this. So we're gonna say song amount equals post of this, and then this will be here. And this should be good. Oh, no, it's not. Shit. Artist equals post artist. Um. 2.7 million times. Holy shit.
Once you step into my world, you'll never leave. Now jump into the world of make believe. Tricks up my sleeve. Now get lifted to a place where reality is twisted. Nothing's what it seems, and everything is opposite.
If I can do this.
Maybe you should follow it. 'Cause where I'm going, you need to come. Time to blast off now. 3, 2, 1,
Bruh. Oh wait, it's because I didn't. Yep, there we go. So, now will it be passed as a string? I don't know, so let me just pass it as a string just in case. Alright, let me see what the issue is now. Fetch tops. Fetch. If I were to run this though. Top songs. Clearly. That's because it's a class. Line 17, undefined version. Sorry, so now if I change it to 15, yeah. Nice. Change it to 50. Nice. Okay. I was actually happy with how well this went. Let's see now what the mobile view looks like. Let me refresh just in case it's I think it's because of the display flex. I can't I gotta get rid of the display flex. Yeah. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do what I did on the stats page. And on the stats page, I basically had all this JavaScript here. Not JavaScript. No, it is JavaScript. What am I saying? I'm losing my mind. here, we want to take off, so artist info width, we just with, I guess we say auto for it. Alright, I'm gonna take this to 1150. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. We need to take that display flex off, which is this. There's a I guess we'll just say display block. I don't know what this is. Alright. This needs to be removed. Display flex. That, Alright, you know what I need to do here? This is definitely something that I need to do. Actually, this is the best core shit. Now, if only I can move this on this side, it'd be nice. It would definitely be very cool if I can. Try and swap these out. Can I move this up somehow? So top songs info. Alright, what the fuck is that? Alright, so we remove the width.
Taming the mic, the dangerous type. This is real life. It's not just the way that I write. We can pour a drink, roll that Mary Jane up in ice. So baby, come to Webby's world. I'll make you famous tonight. Place your bets, y'all don't pay it in full. Never graduated from school, but I made it as cool. Now I'm here, motherfucker. Ain't no way for a fools. Right to the top, like I'm defying gravitation. Cause I started young, but I'm older now. Learned a lot up in the game, got a doper sound. Traveling around the world, getting cultured now. But still rolling with my dogs when
Because I did that. I know, but it's because I took the width off of this. At least the.
Stay right and we're rhyming and stage dive. All in, going so hard I could break diamonds. I've been patiently waiting, but learned that it takes time. And now I got the same look in my eye as a cage lion. I've been on my hustle. Why the fuck you think I'm doing this? Book of rhymes thicker than a Tarantino movie. Rolling up a doobie and we jumping in the.
I do flow left and make this flow right. But the issue is. Let me just refresh what I have and see. Oh, so like that flows there. It's because I think this has the justify content center. Okay, so this just needs justify content center as justify center as flex start. Pick up flex start or something. Yeah. Something like that. Alright, does not look bad. Okay. I thought that's gonna... Now if I hit this, this could use some cleanup here. Why is this so small? 9347. Wait, 937. Okay. Now I thought I took. I'm confused. List style. There. Yeah, list style none on this, and then this. This whole thing needs padding of. So, 285. We'll check all this. Now, the thing is though, I'm using this so many places that I feel like I could just load these enemies somehow. So I'm gonna take note of that and have that done last week. So load an additional input rather than, because like something like this, like what is get search song? I don't think I'm using this at all. Alright, and then on this, what did I added something. Where is it? Here, list style. So yeah, on this I gotta do style, list style, none. I don't even know if let's play the songs.
Listen to me. Learn from me. I wasn't the best because I killed quickly. I was the best because the crowd loved me. And the crowd, you win your freedom. I won the crowd.
city, every hotline, go to every block, every hood, every corner, every stop sign. I just wanna get it for the days that I was living in the hood. Wait a minute, I don't even know if you could call it living. Pay attention, cause at any given minute you be chilling with your niggas, every witness to a killing. Hold up. Grew up on the north side, nigga, to the fullest. I was quicker than the bullets that was going past the window. It's all about the coming for the crowd. You think I'm different? Made no mistake about it. Fake shit, I can't allow it. Trapped in this game, now I can't get out it. You want that real shit, and I feel the same about it. I was in the trenches just like you, wondering how the fuck I'ma get through. I don't have a plan, but I know one thing.
And then this here. Alright, hold on, let me just refresh this. Not this. It's not looking that bad anymore. This is not looking that bad. This is not looking that bad. I do want to. So this width, I don't know if I want to. See, I don't know how I want to do it like that because it doesn't. What I should do here, this is display flex. This shouldn't even have a width. This, on this side. Oh, okay. That sounds like a Snowden product. It is. John Connor Snowden product. Yeah, I didn't do this because this is not the way I'm coding right now. So I think that file can be deleted. If I close that and reopen this. The issue is though, not all song names are thick. So like this one, but the wait, where did it? Alright, that's an issue. Show more info. Alright, we're far from getting artist page started. Alright, wait, hold on. I do want to see. Okay, this I need to make clickable. So I need to make all tooltips clickable and not hoverable. This is on an iPhone. Alright, so one thing I need to do here is this needs a margin bottom. So on top sounds info. CSS of margin bottom 20 pixels. Now I did 1150 because I don't know where my breaking point is that I'm doing all this for. So we will have to see. Oh, perfect. I literally just have to take off. Perfect. Now I am slightly concerned with these. Why do these have a...
respecting my words. But while these bloggers underestimate my level of skill, I'ma shove this shit in their faces when I settle it in. The fuck that, I'll shove it in their faces now, cause I'm unsigned.
See, when I do that, they get a height, which
and make assessments in seconds before they hear me spit. Can you tell I'm pissed?
I don't exactly understand where they get this. But I think that's fine. So all we have to do is take off height here.
I got the craziest rap tactics, smoking crack till I black out and wreak havoc on women and children. I'm like elderly too. Anybody who's not a subscriber to my YouTube,
I thought I
so
fixed
if you
it.
don't like what I do, suck my motherfucking dick until your face turns blue. They like temper, calm down, baby. Take it down a notch, show the world now, baby.
Oh, not height. Oh, wait.
Can get pissy ever so often, but there's so many dudes in this world that's pissing me off, and I should shut my mouth.
Not bad. Okay. So. Okay, actually. So now that we did that, refresh this. Now we're ready for this. In which I'm excited for. So let's let me get the new window. Temper, webby, turn it down a notch. Then the devil on my shoulder says to go walk down the block. Find a shit talker, drag him to the highest mountaintop. Give him a parachute with a hole in it. Throw him down and watch him hit the ground. Splatter all over the fucking pavement. Stand over what's left of him yelling out, now say shit. I know I'm a deranged head case, but it's my temper. I need anger management to help contain it. Like temper, calm down, webby. Take it down a notch, show the world now ready. Let them talk shit, they ain't stepping to you. They just mad at what you're destined to do. They like temper, calm down, webby. Take a chill pill, man, the world's not ready. They mad that you be doing everything that you do. So piss me off and I would hate to be you. Motherfuckers. I'll fucking kick you in the goddamn shins and make you run a lap. Fucking scrape your taste buds out and feed you the best meal you ever had. You won't even be able to taste it. I'll scrape your eyes out and put on the Shawshank Redemption. It's a great movie, and you're gonna miss it because you're blind. Assholes. Temper, calm down, baby. I got that paraphernalia, riding off in the desert, psychedelics on me, I don't even know where I'm headed. I got the drugs in a suitcase. Yeah, I got an ayahuasca shaman, Hunter S. Thompson and Dr. Gonzo in the whip mobbing, drugs in a trunk, you need them, I got them, weed to the speed, believe I got options. You don't got yours, it's cool, I got mine. Pockets always full of sunshine. I got medicine from mescaline, etc. Shit, I got everything that you could even imagine. Mushroom eating in cabins way out deep in the mountains. No one's even around us. Getting high, getting high, 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 high. How long have I? 2 hours? Not bad, not bad. My EVs are still lacking. Cute. Alright, this. So let me just scoop it up. Paste it right here. I don't know what this. There's a certain div that. Nope. So this should all be in a div actually. Alright. An eye view. So this, I don't know, what do I have for, I use that icon. Okay, so this one I could close now. Because we gotta change anyways. So we gotta go back to, I think fetch, load playlist maybe? Load. Place names. Here we go. Why do I have? I don't know why I have that there. And I still don't know what width value dash dash. Is that a? This, okay. So let me leave that there. That might be important. Looks like we put it here. Get favorites list. No, might actually need that. I don't know what we're going to do here. Use we're gonna need this one here. View song. And that sounds like Jaren Benton. It is. Alright, so we need to fix this here. Where's our... We copied this because it doesn't matter. We're not gonna be pre-loading this one. We need T-bot. Move this down here. Alright, then we need to add this class here, and then, I mean, we could just take this, figure it out. The width, I don't know about. We'll figure it out when we get there. Then again, the width is also based on Alright, let's see how this looks. And since we're what the fuck happened here? Bruh. What the fuck? As I was gonna say, since we're gonna probably finish this page early, I think I kind of want to go around and do the mobile stuff. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see. Is there a way that I can make it go after? Why is it? Height. Alright, so height should be auto. And then margin bottom 20 pixels. So this 1571.
Life's a beach, ain't shit sweet. The bottom is deep, the undertow strong, so watch your feet. Don't get carried away by the sea. Submerged underwater by Davy Jones locker with shellfish and lobsters and ancient sea monsters. From starboard to port till we back on shore. No life jackets needed. My ships stay on course. From Venice to Montauk and way back to
margin left 20 pixels. Margin right 20 pixels. Now I don't know if I will add anything else to this page. You know what? I do want to add other things to this page. So in terms of width, I kind of want to do it like this. Maybe not so much like this. What's the width of this thing? 365. So if I say margin left 4 pixels. Let's say 360 pixels. Okay, that's fine. So like this should be good here. So for outline this thing. Let me I changed the font size. Font size 20 pixels. Nope, that doesn't apply to the whole thing. Add it to the table. Font size 20 pixels. Yeah, 20 pixels is fine, but I gotta change out that fucking Eminem album cover picture. That thing looked like garbage. Shit. Font size 20 pixels. Alright, and then I wanna. Fuck, I hate that this shit belongs at the bottom. No. The fuck? Fucking thing messed up there. Alright. I'm gonna use it. Alright, so I want to do these as vertical align or center justify maybe, I don't know. Okay, center, vertical line center, top 50%, maybe. No, these all gotta be in a span, I think, in order for that to.
See the stuff out right here? I do. You gonna take this left? Yeah. You gonna take another right? All right. And if you go.
I mean, these aren't vertically aligned, so it might be fine. The only thing I do need to change, I think, is this I. Let me change this I, which I think is this here. So we're gonna say font size. Let's do 40 pixels there. Then I definitely think we can take the center off. I am pretty sure that you already get center. So we're gonna say view album song, and one thing I do want to test is with songs that include and, because I'm tired of the special characters and all on the site that I have to do. So but this is, that's with an I. Let's take this out for this, because we had to do differently, I remember. So we basically got to copy this over to sort of like this. Row escape. We'll figure it out, because I don't know right now. Like that. Which means we do have to add, so style equal font size. Like this. Like that. So let me refresh, and then we can see how it looks. Because it's not meant to be so out there. Yeah, this does nothing right now. I can crash the site. So let me test some waters here. Obviously it loads it all in like this. Let me add some overflow to it.
It's nice to meet you.
Because I don't want the entire table to be like this. So let's say overflow scroll. Another notification. Popular today. Hassan. Thought Hassan went live earlier.
Put your controllers in the air. Yeah. Call of Duty online, baby. Let's get it poppin'. They tried to step to me, but the headshot got 'em. I'm something like the best at a team death match. Russia or the Middle East, take it to the next map. Dope attacks to blow your back with a natural born soap McTavish. Scope and blasted. It won't be an open casket. Don't care. There ain't no love. This is modern warfare.
Alright, sure. Is this the key header? Yep. I do want to change this height to 500 pixels. 500 pixels is fine, I think. Yeah. So 1663.
Heartbeat sensor on your SMG, it's COD and C. You can never stop me. Dropping competition like a fucking Nazi zombie. I'm cocky. Ain't nobody messing with these on. I'm the reason your whole team is getting respawned. You're a pawn, get coned when I come attack. My Bluetooth and ear always talking mad shit. Flash brain grenades and knife them all day. PS3 the Xbox can't stay away. Bang, then I put another in your brain.
Alright, so one thing we need to do here basically is now basically do few songs but with the album. So I don't know. Oh no, okay, so one thing I wanted to test was these names here. So I believe it's calling it from here. So relapse. So we'll use Eminem as an example here. So I'm gonna do an apostrophe like that. Or I'm gonna do a quote like that because I want to put artists' real things here. So let me see where there's issues. And then from there we could figure it out. Okay, these are all fine. Okay, so these don't have issues with the name. So, but it's the song names that do. So we could test that. So let's test that. It should be all good. Yeah, it's all good. Alright, I want to maybe change this to combined views. Combined views. Combined. Alright, so love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. There should be two of them, because I think there's a part 1 and part 2. Interesting. It's just, I don't think song name would have an issue though. So if I did this, like that, I don't think it's gonna have an issue with displaying. Because we escaped it. So I think the only issue we get is with the artist's songs. Yeah, these all work fine. Okay, maybe the way I'm coding it is better. And, I mean, we'll have to see on this thing stop there. Alright. So now let's do view songs or whatever we call it. View. Hold on. Whew. Shit. Hold on. Let me turn. It's cold in here.
You see, I'm fresh, but not like everybody else. I got a flashy car. I don't got these big chains, but I'm still fresh.
How long have I been on it? It's only 2:14. Feels like 2.5 hours. Alright, so we need to create. So let's do a few albums.
Peeling off the hood, bumper hanging off the front. Interior smelling like bogeys and blood guts. But my little dump truck gon' ride till the sun's up. Ferraris and Jags got all these chicks.
I want to kind of just copy this function. 70 lines. Load view album.
Skinny white dude who spits every day. I'm standing out.
Is this futuristic?
Still living in his parents' house. I'm going in as soon as someone turns the beat
That's
on.
Chris Webby. Feels so fucking weird.
I got probation coming in the month.
Alright,
Yelling at me. Used to work at Leslie's Pool Supplies to bring in dough, and I should probably start again, cause goddamn I'm
Do I need...
how many other dudes could come through and wreck this shit and grew up in the burbs of Connecticut. I'm a beast and I'm always doing me. Brain dead, pothead with that ADD. So try to call me corny.
Alright, so, I changed it. That should be album. Element, that's gonna be this. As far as I know. And then what we should be doing then load view album songs. So we do create a here. And then I want to sort of organize these by what they do. So this playlist like there's a lot of album ones. So I don't know. What the fuck's... but then there's a lot of stuff in here that I would have to change. So if I do a folder for playlist, we'll say load playlist names, go in here. Load playlist options, go in here. And then we just gotta do this. This, and then we just need to load playlist names. because it's a lot easier this way. Load playlist names, load playlist options. What fucking file calls this?
Welcome, welcome. I'd like to welcome you all to Webster's Laboratory. I'll be your host for the evening. Chris Webby, if you didn't already know. Step right in. Let me show you around real quick. Huh. Let's cook some shit up. Yeah. He's that verbal visionary, criminally literary, spitting.
And then we'll have to figure it out after if things break or not. Check right now. And then so like load save to playlist, load, so this goes in here. Load sidebar playlist, like so we just say load save to playlist. And then load sidebar playlist. Load sidebar.
So you see, here in Webby's lab, I'm gonna be hitting you with a lot of samples, some industry beats, all cooked together with a nice dope lyrics. Oh yeah, and it's free, courtesy of Dat Piff, myself of course. The album's coming soon, so buy that. But until then, enjoy this.
So then settings. So stats. So wait, settings. What is this page? Let me see if I use this for anything. Yeah. Yeah. I don't use this for anything.
So, boys and girls, 6 mixtapes deep, and I still haven't lost my touch, as you can see. You know, I just really want to say thank you to everyone who supported me thus far. I feel like it's really time to take this shit over. Ninja
Nope,
swag.
I don't use.
So again, welcome to Webster's Laboratory, and have a lovely fucking
If I don't really use. If I don't use this for anything, then I gotta have this somewhere else, right? Load settings. Yeah, I have this like this. So alright, so then I can I could take this one out. So, and then, I don't know if,
You shouldn't give a fuck about me, cause I don't give a fuck about you. You should
alright,
probably worry about yourself sometimes, trying to chill and get high. Hey, yeah,
where's
I'm coming
the,
with that fire that
this
I got
one?
in my belly that's stored within. Crazy
So
since the
here,
diapers and umbilical cord snipping, I'm sore
take
gripping,
out
so
a
you better
ton of
call
this
up the
shit.
mortician as I take my competition and mop up the floor.
Actually, we could use search. We don't even need a search. The song list ain't that long. Songs loaded here. The song list ain't even that long, so we could just run the query and build a table here. In terms of Maybe just take this shit out. I know, so this, I don't want this here, but I do want... Oh wait, that's a... we're going to need... Let's say album equals post album. If that is what we called it, is it uppercase or lowercase? I guess we'll do the favorite thing there, but I don't know. Alright, so we have load information. Let me see which one this is. And we also want to make sure it's empty. And then on header for load information, it's pop-up model. So I don't know if I want to do these songs for add to playlist. So some of these have static, which I still don't know why. Let's see. So here we want to change on. I feel like I got too many pages open here. Where is it? Here, we want to change it to this one. And the reason there has to be two is because, wait. Maybe there doesn't have to be two queries. Let's see. Because I'm trying to think, like, why this is. Select all while. Oh, because we need, this is a separate column. So this is for singles from artists, like that. Alright, so let me refresh. Onto the music. So if I click on this, it doesn't load for some reason. Let's see why. View album songs not defined. Oh yeah. So
Killing beats, you know? Killing beats, man. That's it. That's what I do. Sir. Yeah. Giving your adrenaline a rush, yo. It's Webby, listen up. Italiano on the mic, eating spaghetti in the cup. When I buzz, can't lay.
well, okay, so I can see this, but view album songs not defined. What does that mean? Please be load view album songs not defined. Oh wait. Where does the
bullet time, slow-mo. Born in Ochen, the Ocha, Han Solo. Always chasing pussy like a dog, call me Toto. Fuckers better feel the flow. Ain't no big pussies in my team, just a Paulie and a Silvio. Kill it though, here we go.
Okay.
Boning your chick, I'm the 23-year-old.
My favorite's not defined. Well,
Rolling up over a sip. Even people on the needle aren't doper than this. They formerly know me as Chris.
What? It literally is, it's supposed to just find out if it's defined or not. If it's not defined, we use this. Now wait, now, hold on, what the fuck is using my favorites to begin with? My favorites equals global favorites. Oh, okay. I see what I was doing there. Hey, we can probably get rid of that search bar, because there's no real reason to have a search bar here. Like that, okay. I do want this to be wider though, so maybe, maybe load information is not the good one I should use. We could do this one, load information 3. That might be better because it's slightly larger than normal. I spent what, $20 today? Okay, that's better. I don't like that this doesn't expand all the way down. But I think that's because of this. So if I do height, let's say height. Guess I'll say alright, that looks fine. So this is playlist song. So we're gonna take that. Then we need to add a table, because the style equals like that. Overflow y. Now let's add the table. So essentially, we'll do this. We'll do something like this here. The table levels. Throw it here. We don't have this. But we do need to pass the artist, but no. Yeah. Because if we don't pass the artist, then it's gonna be kind of. We don't need the. And I would say where artist equals that, and album equals like that. We don't need to add the album. We already know. We already know the year. So, what do I add here? Song name features views preview at the post. Pretty self-explanatory. The song features views. And then yeah, and then I think we should do the. No, we're not gonna do numbers because if we do numbers, then people will be like, "It's not in order." Like, oh, don't care. So we do need to pass artists through now. Wait, we need to add it because we can do this. Like that, and then let me put done. Because these functions are all done with. There we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we can see. Take my hand. Wait, I don't add the favorites here anyways. But I could, but there's no reason to. But if you add it to a playlist, on the playlist you could favorite it anyways. So maybe I should just put maybe. No, we'll just leave this on empty, and then wherever we have this, we should have this somewhere. And then we need to get so song already. We need to get so this is gonna be Rodot song ID. ID, and then favorites array. We need to get. Just going to do this. Okay. And then undefined artist key. Dude, I'm not. Interesting. Console.log. Oh, I might have to refresh. I might have to refresh. Speaking of which, let me refresh my There we go. Now, oh, I saw that error. Undefined variable song array. I thought. Okay, so for some reason I can't see it. Alright, hold on. Let me do this one. So this one, oh, it's because it's got a white background. Okay. So there's got to be an I. There must be, I must have had why does this have This is legit the first time I've seen have overflow scroll here. Probably put overflow scroll on the table. No.
Cause they telling me it's my time. Yeah. And disappear into the sky. If you got a dream, you should follow it. Cause not everybody's capable of keeping straight.
So if we have that thing, and how is the sticky header thing?
Considering 2 years ago I was making minimum wage, and now we doing okay. Skyline flow up and away, and I ain't looking for a handout. Shit,
I mean, if I could put 50, I'm sure.
live my life to a whole new beat. Finally standing
Negative.
on my own 2 feet, cause it got that tough. Been king while I was
So
down,
negative.
but I never gave in, and I got back up, yeah. Getting close, well I better be, but all I see is the skyline ahead of me. Yeah, one thing, I ain't gonna wait around here to make it. Anybody with a dream gotta feel the same. If it ain't given to me, then I'ma take it. So let me just fly, 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 fly. Cause they telling me it's my time. Fly, fly, fly. And disappear.
I thought we had an eye icon for the favorites and all, but I don't know, because if I can't change the, I'm gonna have to edit that image again, which sucks. There's a sticky header. Refresh.
See now my cup is full. My vibe is boosted. My fate is undecided, but it's going down the way that I choose it.
That looks a
Living
lot
life
better.
up on the stage, and it's like I'm on
I do want to
display.
fix the
And
heart
fans
thing,
coming
so
through and they know every word to the songs that I fucking play. Bang the speakers out, blood, sweat, and tears are leaking out. Girls in the crowd are freaking out.
I'm not opening up Photoshop because that Photoshop shit takes forever.
Man, I think I'm on one. Saw the easy route, took the long one. And now the game ready for this crazy white boy running through the rap game like Donkey Kong. Cause I be super smashing on my back with a rap attack. I'm homegrown and I grew the roots. And it's about damn time that I flew the coop. So motherfuckers, let me show you what this dude can do. Going through the roof and I'ma hold my own. CT down to the bone. So anywhere I'm going, you know I'm coming back. Cause as I always said, in a place like home. Till then I'm gone.
How come? Alright, so I got this. How come I don't have this thing to click out? Remove this. This music file.
I'm here to do my thing. So what you really know about that shit? Good kid in a fucked up game. Suitcase still packed from the last trip. Like this and I feel alright. Turned around my life. Started from the bottom, now I'm in the middle. Sitting first class on a flight and I still got fight. As long as I got a mic, I recite the type of hype shit that'll spark ignite and set the world on fire when I give it a light. You never heard no one like this in your life because I go so hard. Got these bars on me.
Where's the paint tool?
And the bass go raw. Like I got Simba trapped in the trunk of my car. Roger that, the bomb is back. Stepping on the gas pedal when I ride a track. Real shit, anybody that deny the facts, fuck you. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Jesus Christ, that shit lagging. Holy shit. What that doing to the screen?
I'm in the game now, you better go home and practice.
Holy shit.
So high, fuck around and hit a pilot. I'm just feeling like it really is my time. This crime shit ain't for the weak, come try this. At home if you ain't ready for the life this game brings to you, whether or not you
Here's
like
the
it.
back.
So I'm telling y'all the ups and downs so you can see the world that I'm in.
Oh, but I undo it instant. Do they not have a? Yeah, this whole site is just fucked. They don't even have a paint tool. It's like trash. Um, Can you really not draw on this? How do they image manage? Like, essentials.
Survive while I kept the prize in my sight so long and haven't run out of lyrics when I write those songs and still hit that stage crazy when the lights go on. I'm an underground king, yeah, I stayed in the trenches. Shit, I had to watch the game from the benches, tuning out the hating ass lames in my mentions. Then I got to watch them as they came to their senses. Started on the bottom like the crusty crab in the beginning,
color
like a
of the
I've been humble. Now it's Webby's turn to be the one to brag. How I secured, now I clutch the bag. I'm going in, yeah, I'm rapping thorough. I'm such an animal. Narrated by David Attenborough. See me up on planet Earth, apex predator, serving motherfuckers like a young Roger Federer. Listen, this is stick up better empty out your register. Keep my musket loaded just so I can shoot the messenger. Fossil fuel executive, I'm raising up the temperature and melt the polar ice. So what I'm dropping on the regular, you thought I was a rat? Look who's coming back from the dead, cold-blooded. You would think I fucking hatched from an egg. Went from spitting freeze while we tap in the keg. Now I'm counting 50 racks on my bed. Said no, they don't know how we got the game on live. They don't know how we hustle so we stay on top. They don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock.
should this not be
How we got the game on live. They don't know how we hustle so we stay on top. They don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock. Said no, they don't know. Said no, they don't. No, they don't. Said no, they don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock. Said no, they don't know. Said no, they don't. They don't. No, said no, they don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock. Said no, they don't know.
Thinking that I couldn't make it any farther. Had a couple phony homies trying to lead me to the slaughter. I was out there robbing, I was trying to feed my daughter. I was broke like a 9-month pregnant woman's water. Scream the truth till I got a sore throat with it. They needed me, I delivered like the Zornos did it. Game's cold, like I left the North Pole with it. I went from getting turned down to fucking porno bitches. I was fucked up hustling, wondering where the shit in. Now my
I open up
I open up
Photoshop full screen. This shit will be
Please stay out my way, baby girl, I'm speeding by. Life is sweeter than a piece of pie. I'm Wiz Khalifa. I don't give a fuck about the critics at all. Tell them they can suck it while it's off and lick on my balls. I ain't like these other rappers taking trips to the mall. I ain't kicking it with y'all unless there's bitches involved. Hey, Chris Webby, pour some Jameson, I'll take tequila. Thank you for this feature, homie. This is what I needed. Talk about the times that I really felt defeated. I'm conceded.
Said no, they don't know how we got the game.
Alright,
They
just opening up Photoshop.
don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah,
I ain't opened up Photoshop in fucking years.
we got the game on live. They don't know how we hustle so we stay on top. They don't know how they never go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock. Said no, they don't know. Said no, they don't. No, they don't.
30 years.
They don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock. Said no, they don't know. Said no, they don't. They don't. No, they don't know how they ever go and take my spot. Yeah, they don't know the way I rock. Said no, they don't know.
Fuck me, man. Just trying to edit a picture.
Said no, they don't know.
My stream probably lagging as hell right now.
I had something to tell you about a wondrous place. Over the hill, across the river, into the dark woods, where the wild things are. But be careful. There are things waiting for you in the woods. Wild things, wild things.
Have you seen us? We the wild things, boy, with a squad so big, fill arenas. That's where you can find me, boy. Got a battery up in my back like a Mophie. Spider web emoji up on a trophy. Rockin' all black like Shinobi. Weed up in the pouch like a Joey. I'm Miley Coyote with Kylie and Chloe. And Miley and Zoe. Saldana, Natasha, Lajero, Madonna, Kalani, and Josie. The Pussycats too in my Honda. We rolling, be gone to the morning. I follow my calling and swallow my fear. But that doctor been saying I lost it. It's clear that I just cannot gauge it. Too small of an ear, but these voices are calling. It's all I can hear. Out here where the wild things be at, be at. Hit 'em so
What I should have done originally was when I created these, I should have made it's gonna have a yellow tint background. And art outline to that. Almost done. Let's see. Why is this 2000 pixels by 1722 pixels? Jesus Christ. Doesn't need to be that big. Alright.
I'm not a sane man, strange man, more like rain man. Roll haze to the stone age, I'm a caveman, man. Whip it like Mad Max, loud pack in the pack.
Oh, what did I save it as?
Running through the maze like a lab rat, looking for the cheese, let me have that. Maybe you can find me in the dark like a zombie. Calm, like chilling at the bar with a blonde. Jaeger bombing, trying to drown all my problems, but they
Let
be
me
swimming like they floats in the
double
water.
check.
I'm out of order with disorders prescribed. The orderlies ought to be checking my arms if they tight. They cannot restrain me. You tried to
Art
explain to me
outline.
that this is all in my mind. Mr. Babadook, right out the comic book, I got him shook.
Now, did it save as a PNG?
Stop and look around, watch it 'cause you now.
Yeah.
Just follow the way, come and follow the way. Don't stop on the road. Just
Fuck me, mate.
a step farther away from all that you know. Don't get caught in the fray, or you could just call it a day. 'Cause where we gon' go? Where the monsters will play. So all I can say, baby, you can find me.
You know what I can do here? I can do this. If this exists, then we're on artist page. Do is close this. go. Alright. Change image. I've. What beat is this?
So I hit heights some nights in the way
I've
I
heard
go
this beat
with a
before.
laptop, maybe in the microphone. And I heard there's a place where the views much bigger and the signs light up and there ain't no limits. I feel it's already, feel like I'm already.
Sample stolen, dance by no beat.
There's only one life, don't abuse it, yeah.
Alright, but who is this
I
song?
wonder what will change my life. Yeah. I wonder if I did not fight. Yeah. And I wonder if it don't vibe right. Yeah. I'll make sure that you go and stay on mine. I got my team with me, they dream with me, they eat with me. That means they feast with me. You gonna land the same way in a 360. Wanna smoke somewhere, run the beach, tips, can't believe it's a dream. I'm so blessed.
So,
In a way I go. Cause I've been California dreaming. Say like you mama, but I'm leaving.
what should do? This.
In my pockets, I'm waiting to get in my wallet.
Well, if this page doesn't exist, what we gotta do here is this. Then just say. And then
Like Star Fox 64. Peace out to everybody who gon' miss me though. To a new time zone, better fix the watch. Cause it feels like 6 o'clock at the after party. But I sipped a lot, so I'm losing track. But it still don't stop. Cause we heard California was in a drought. But I think we got it all figured out. Made a quick pit stop at the in and out. And then it's back to the studio that's in my house. Listen, I've been waiting for my shot and the time is near. And the sun is high up and the skies are clear. I'm a pioneer and these stars on the sidewalk always gonna remind me of why I'm here. With every step I take, it's everywhere we go to. Pocket full of dreams and a mic with Pro Tools. Giving us something I won't do, like I'm doing Sudoku. Got a whole lot of numbers to go through. Watching my expenses until I'm in the Benzes. I got the whole world on my friends list. Looking at my life through my Ray-Ban lenses. I strike gold out west like I dreamt it. Cause I've been California dreaming. Say love you mama, but I'm leaving.
One issue is if I click. So, now does that work though? Stimulates like one of the endings on the. Yeah, I want. That should not be right. Alright, one thing I do want to do though is change this height thing. I don't like the. I've been California dreaming. I feel like the font size of this entire table actually could change. I'm not trying to have some overflow either. Just keep it as is. But yeah, so instead of 50, shit, let me just do 50.
don't ever get a mention, but it's cool. I pay my dues, and to my fans, I'm still that dude. I get no press, but I make my moves, and I own my music, unlike you. And I seen a bunch of these
What
rappers
the
that
hell's
seem to be
the-
bubbling faster, but they don't be stacking like Webby be stacking. I follow my pub and I'm masters. I'm doubling up when they hustling backwards. I'm just one of hundreds of rappers, but now I have carved my own lane that I'm living in.
Do I have any
Fucking
style?
resilient, flipping middle fingers up to the system, so fuck your opinion. Sipping my whiskey with a little skinny bitty with a butt that's Brazilian and got a pretty Sicilian up in my kitchen that's cooking and serving me chicken, and that's just perks of the job, I guess. But I digress, cause I am just so out of hand that I'm Elon Musk in a full space suit with a fight to catch. You never seen a sight so fresh when I jump on stage and I do my thing.
California dreaming.
Yeah, I'm feeling like a hip hop legend. I've been underground for now, but
One thing I realized is there's no X
maybe
up at
not
the
the
top
guy
here.
that they usually
So
mention. But let them sleep while I creep to the
I think I
top.
accidentally
I'm a beast. Yeah, I'm feeling like a hip hop legend. Motherfucking hip hop legend. Maybe not the guy that they usually mention. But while they sleep, I get better every week and repeat.
When they hit me, they come through a body and told me to dunk it, cause he about to lobby it. I just be walking around feeling like Jordan, cause none of them niggas can tell you what Scotty is. I don't be doing this shit for the audience. Niggas be hating, I'm losing the weight. But look at the clothes that I'm fitting my body in. Look like I'm working, I'm getting the cake. Come with me crooked, I'm getting it straight. Mannequin challenge, you niggas is fake. Niggas that don't know I'm rolling it loud. And I'm performing, you niggas is snake. Screw them niggas, screw the rest, screw the figures, screw the check. Shoot the text, shoot his chest, shoot his leg, shoot his neck. Who the killer, who the best? Don't cry, nigga, get the word. Kill a beat and tell him get the hearse. I very seldom do features, yeah, cause niggas dying when they get the verse. Have the nigga laying with the dirt. This nigga here better get the nurse. I done killed so many niggas, beats gotta pray to God when I get the church.
no such thing as that. But this comes from at some playlist. So now why did it do Ollie Murs?
I've been underground for now, but shipping spreading. Maybe not the guy that they usually
When I hit add to playlist, what I should do is then go back. But failed. 27. Thing is now, I can open it. So if we are on we're on artist page, this languages is gonna be
I know it's uncomplicated, but to be in your top 5 conversation is way too much confrontation. So by being properly compensated,
and this
yeah, that's a hell of a combination. And fakeness is not how my mama raised me. So
get
I'm expecting no nomination.
artist.
Do not get along. Think that I
I
can't
say
promise you
for
wrong. Think that I love it. These rappers is killers.
yeah.
I'm watching these labels to string you along. Say that you ballin', but you need a loan. Don't believe words, I believe what I'm shown. Falling in the dip, man, is better than own. And I'ma stay real like it's written in stone. I'ma get to the ones that I'm grateful. You ain't gotta like me, and I ain't tryna make you. I'ma stay humble. I'ma stay grateful. If you fuck with me, then I'ma say thank you. If you ain't strong in this game, it'll break you. I give a fuck about
This get artist. So, but this is for add to playlist. So, but this is down 2. So if I say
Tried to be scared of a little thunder. Spent your whole life waiting in the rain. You reminisce, just grin, look back and wonder. You ever gonna fit
oh wait,
again?
does it say? So then here, I'm just gonna take this out. Let's see that there. Long 20. How is it still getting there?
Sirens went off in his head. Still half drunk in a foreign bed. Said he'd be home after work, but he went to the bar instead. And instead
Undefined variable down
of
3.
acquaintance, he met after 7 shots.
Interesting.
Couple of beers to chase it. Basically, he was wasted There's always a choice. Reason chimed in, but he was ignoring the voice. Now he's throwing on his wrinkled clothes, and he knows when he
I know what to
goes
do.
home to that glass
If
house with these old stones.
close
He gon' put on this mask, kiss her neck and then ask,
this
was he
artist
late before she even
page
has a chance to react? He'll be fine. It isn't like this is the first time.
and
Shit, everybody needs an occasion to unwind. Ain't a crime to run away from things occasionally. A way to release. That's just human nature, and he pulled down the driveway.
let's still do this. And then one thing we gotta do here is then here. We say like that, and then this we can take out. This we can take here. Then is artist page here. We'll say bar is artist page. We need to check if this split is true. If this. Oh, well, if it's true. Like that. For this, we gotta refresh though. And I still need to understand why I picked only artists. I picked the Eminem song. Did I do song ID by accident? If I click this, yeah. And it still says all the words there. Wait. Yeah, I did song ID.
With the steam filling his lungs, as if the water could wash away all the shit that he done. He let it run deep in thought about when he was young. Got out and looked in the mirror back at the man. Then he opened
and where are my
his wife
playlists?
on the bed, on the verge of tears, looked him in the eyes, and instead of saying anything, she threw him his phone with the text.
Why is there
read.
overflow
But
on
instead of
this?
more lies, he just looked at her and said,
Maybe I underestimated how large this is. So if I do extra one, it might be a bit much. Let's see. So guess we could try extra large. I don't know. I think extra large might be a bit big, but we can see. What is this? So that's the.
Now you may know me as Sap, I'm the man behind the science and Webby's the supplier.
People be clicking on.
Hey yo, we stay cooking up, we stay in the lab, we turn up the heat, keep playing it back, so really none of y'all can stress me.
"You got the beats, I got the bars, and when you put that shit together, we like Walt."
How long have I been
I was
streaming?
chilling down in South Beach, kicking my feet up. Just got off tour,
3.5
trying to soak some UVs up. Album in the stores, label situation.
What's this
free
thing?
up. I seen Sap tweet, he was trying to cook some pizza. Shit, that sounds alright. Look, I'ma grab the J-Mo. Dana got the flight book. Go and catch a plane, bro.
On my way, Chris, you know that shit we make it so pure. Some of these clowns think they run it sounding so sure. Cause what I'm hearing in these streets got me so bored. The fans don't need to hear no more. But hey, we gon' shock the world after this shit we
Pop
do
up
it for the check, but first for the people. I always hear the question why
Load
we ain't
information
freshmen. Man, you know how geeks in school be keeping seats full, so we skip class quick fast and handed y'all a zip bag of something chemically imbalanced.
For your bitch ass. So wait a minute while we go and hit the skyline. Cause I'm gone. The only way to go is to the dark side.
Oh, you know what?
Whenever I like, now it's a whole CD. Me and
Forgot
Sam
this
up on the
is-
track, it's so
You
easy.
may know me as Sap, I'm the man behind the science, and Webby's the supplier.
See, after he be sampling the instruments, I package and distribute it and give you that fire.
Hey yo, we stay cooking up, we stay in the lab, we turn up the heat, keep playing it back, so really none of y'all can stress me.
You got the beats, I got the bars, and when you put that shit together, we like walk.
That's actually a lot better. So I think, so now if I do this,
The extra knock too, you know I got to. We about to have the whole world buying.
I'm sure there's gonna be one that has some overflow to it.
You see, I take a piece from the sample. Ain't a damn thing with my beats that we
Not much
can't
I
do.
can do.
Got so many styles that we gonna have a handful of these customers. I swear the whole neck gon' fuck with us.
You call it the internet, but I call it the
Now if I hit active playlist. Now, where the fuck are my playlists?
Then we cooking the well, getting mail from ASCAP, selling tapes out the trunk. Then it got a lot bigger. Now the fiends lining up, hitting follow on Twitter. I'ma dig in
No
this
playlist
shit real quick.
names.
I'm
URL
tryna
is not
hit
found.
Come on, Web, you know we on the clock. You may know me as Sap. I'm the man behind the science, and Webby's the supplier.
Is it cause
See, after he be sampling the instruments, I package and distribute it and give you that
because I moved
We stay cooking up, we stay in the lab, we turn
I
up the
moved
heat,
it.
keep playing it back, so really none of y'all can stress me.
You got the beats, I got the bars.
do I have this in
Together we like Walt and Jesse.
Let's try this again.
Hey, yo, Sam, ready to cook?
Alright.
Let's go.
So one thing I should put up here is collective views, total views. I think that, I mean, you kind of already have it here though, so it doesn't really matter. Jimmy, I know it's Jimmy Bryan and mine. Look, 1,100, 1.1 million. Hey, another like on the stream. I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, I think so. Alright, so let me check now. If I add stimulate, no, it still didn't. Oh wait, did I refresh?
Mirrors on the ceiling, they pink champagne on ice. She said, "We are all just prisoners here of our own device." And in the master's chambers,
Alright, let me change the music up. Let me change the music up. Switch it to chauffeur with token black, bitch. Alright, you know why I think it's not loading? 'Cause I think. Wait, load playlist. Reload. How come? Oh, maybe there's another place that I'm not.
And ain't shit gonna be the same, bitch. If only you people knew. Question. Why these niggas really out here trying to act like they don't know I'm winning? When they know I'm winning, they be like you're talking black, right? No, I'm winning. Fake nigga or friend, know the difference from a nigga that's for you and who gon' go against you. Have my cake and eat it too, like cake wars. Watch what's coming out your mouth, you get a fade for it.
Alright.
Watch what's coming out your mouth, you get a fade for it. Gotta live up in this game, feel like I'm made for it. Do the same thing, now I'm getting paid for it.
I don't know if it's possible, but we can see. I don't know if it'll be possible for me to do this. So I open this. I open this. It does have it. So now, So then, what we want to do then is no, we basically just want to do this actually. And then we take this. And then we go to load playlist. If is set, it's always gonna happen. Oh no, because it could be null. There we go. Alright. So I'm gonna add this to. Wait, no. No, it's gonna be in playlist. So I'm gonna add this to a. I figured that would be like that. So it did get added. Only thing I gotta do now is so we want to do this. That's a sidebar. Right? No. Looks like us. Oh, then I don't think we need it. I mean, it doesn't hurt to have this here. Throw it here. And then, wait, I already have it here. I'm tripping. I'm gonna throw it here. So, funny enough, there. Right. Alright, let me manually remove it from the playlist here. No. So I could just test again. Alright, so here, add to playlist. Alright, and then see, the thing is here, if I say add to playlist, you can't go back. So I don't know if I want to. Do I want to do that though? That's such a pain in the ass to do for the. I don't know, man. I'm so glad that this has the most views, and then I don't know why the bump heads one got so many views here. I do want to. I do have an idea that I want to do. I don't want to do show more info. What is show more? I know that. All right. I really think that this artist page is sort of corny. And then wait, if I fix this show more info page, I'm gonna use that one. I'm not trying to. Let me see what mobile looks like though. Wait, Eminem, when I captured this, he had 20 billion views. Now he's gained 200 million. And I captured this last week. God damn. No, that can't be right. Yeah, hold on. He gained. Jesus Christ, he gained in the last week 128 million views. Holy shit. What the fuck happened? I don't know, man. I really don't know. Oh yeah. I gotta refresh this. I don't know what the hell happened here, I'll be honest.
We got a team of legendaries, but don't nobody know. And you already know, I got the decks, let me get them, snatch your chicken, then I get the pussy hot, that's lit. Hold on, need mittens, help if I don't listen. You ain't talking money, get amnesia, I forget about anybody. When you don't even want to press or hit a couple times. Now you looking like a win, but you losing, I'm winning, you don't understand it. Spit poison, I'm fire, I look like Celanded. My style, my swagger, too much for you randers. My arms on your head, now you look like a rabbit. The bar's so ugly like a Paw Patrol. Bitch, I'm hotter than the sun, so Galileo. I got an alpha flow, I put you in the ground with it, choose a path to go. Boy, if I'm on it, you'll regret it. Has just gone on rabbit spitting, that's spitting on you niggas. My venom burn through your denim till you looking like a drip. Ivy sword, number 2, I'm the shit boy. Triplet, now I'm number 6. Fire spin when I spit, boy. Violate, no
Alright, so we want to say Mark Wright album listing here. I don't know. Just turn this off a bit. The hell's he dot CSS, and then we're saying margin left. Alright, there's really not much I can do here without messing it up. But yeah, let me see how this all looks. Yeah, this all looks fine, actually. Okay, so artist profile page done. I'm gonna end the stream here and then come back. Thanks for the subscription, Devin. Yeah, I'm gonna be back though. I gotta use the restroom and then there's some stuff that I want to try and do first.